So there are a couple of different ways to debug Node.js applications, for example, using the inspect flag on Node.js or using a debug configuration in VSCode. But here is something I just recently figured out. When you go to the debug tab in VSCode and click JavaScript Debug Terminal, it opens up a new terminal. And if you type in the command here that you would normally use to start your application, it will start the app in debug mode. Now you can set breakpoints. For example, I'm using here this login endpoint. I set a breakpoint here, and if I enter the credentials and click login, as you can see, the breakpoint triggers. This doesn't require any additional configuration or change to your package.json file. It's basically just a specific type of terminal where you start up your app.